Over the last couple of months, there was a huge hype for meme coins on Base blockchain, and this hype train isn't stopping yet. So there's more meme coins and other coins coming out on Base blockchain every week, and you are missing out if you don't know how to work with Base network. So today I'm going to give you a quick guide about Base blockchain. Firstly, I will cover what is Base. Second, how can you access the Base network? And third, how can you transfer different funds from other blockchains towards Base network? Let's go. First of all, what is Base? Base is a layer 2 solution for Ethereum. So it's an ecosystem where you can do a lot of different things, where you can program a lot of different things if you are familiar with Ethereum programming already. But it is way cheaper because the transaction fees are way less. So it is powered by Coinbase, and it's a layer 2 solution for Ethereum, as I already said. So it uses the whole infrastructure from Ethereum with the security, the stability, the scalability, because if you introduce a new blockchain, you have to make sure that it's safe, that it's distributed, that it's decentralized, that it's like up and running, because other networks, they sometimes have downtimes, but not with Ethereum. So it uses all the positive effects from Ethereum, but it's been programmed on top of that, so it actually gets more features and cheaper features compared to Ethereum. So it's very smart actually. So we have the layer 2 solution, we have big features but small fees. It's open source, so everybody can read the code because it's built on Optimism's open source OP stack. And it's scaled by Coinbase because this is home to a lot of Coinbase applications, and they are funding the whole decentralized part of Base. And yeah, as I said, it's 10 times cheaper than Ethereum with the transaction fees, which makes it very appealing for meme coins because you have a lot of smaller transactions when you work with meme coins. So this is very good for users if they use Base network. And as I said already as well, it's empowered by Coinbase. So the whole Coinbase funds, they are available for the Base network to for further developments or to improvements. So this is a really good thing that they actually have the funding to really build up this blockchain in a decentralized way. Yeah, that's my information, or the information that I want to share about Base, because if you want to get more information, you can read all the information here on base.org, but it's gonna be too technical, and yeah, we don't want to waste time with that. Now I'm going to show you how you can access the Base network. I'm using Metamask for now. So if you use Metamask, you can switch the different networks here on the top. And as you can see, I only have the regular networks here. So I have to add Base network to that. So I simply click on add network. Then I get redirected to this page. And then I can say, okay, Base mainnet, I want to add this. All right, yeah. Approve, switch to Base network. And that's it. You've switched to Base mainnet. It's simple as that. That's all you have to do. If I check now my Metamask here in the top right, I can switch between Base and Ethereum. So now we have Base network here as well. So I'm going to go back to Ethereum here with this test wallet, because that's all you have to do. If you use Trust Wallet or Bitget Wallet, you don't actually have to change the networks because they accept all networks. They just show you the coins that you own with the different logos on the bottom right, which indicates on which network those tokens are. But here on Metamask, you actually have to change the networks, which makes it very easy because it's a better overview, I think. So that's so far for accessing Base network. Now the question is, how can you get funds from other networks to Base network? And that's very easy as well, because Base network uses Ethereum as a native token. So you need to withdraw Ethereum from centralized exchanges that allow Base network withdrawals, or you need to bridge the assets. So I've checked in with my Binance account here, and you can see that I selected a withdrawal, or I request a withdrawal here. And if I want to withdraw Ethereum, I have to enter the address as always, and then I need to choose a network. And here I can choose the Ethereum mainnet, the native mainnet, or I can choose Base. So I can simply take my Metamask address, copy it, paste it over here, and then withdraw Ethereum, regular Ethereum that I bought on the market on Binance, and withdraw them with Base, and they will appear up here on my Base network after that. since it's the same wallet address as my Ethereum mainnet, because it's EVM compatible. So it uses like the same code as Ethereum, the same wallets, the same private seed phrases or private keys. So you have the same wallet, but on the different networks, just with Polygon or Smart Chain or Avalanche, for example. So this is the first and easiest method. You can use Binance, you can use Coinbase, you can use OKX to withdraw Ethereum with Base Network, but it's very, very important that you choose Base Network here. And you should start with Ethereum, because if you want to do any transaction on the Base Network, you will need Ethereum to cover the gas fees. So it makes sense that you start with Ethereum to transfer Ethereum to the Base Network. And if you don't want to go through a centralized exchange, you can always do it with decentralized ways. They have a bridge here, a Base bridge, and here you have to connect your wallet first. We can do that together now. All right, you have to confirm that you will switch the network to Ethereum again. All right, and now you can exchange different amounts. Let's say I want to exchange 0.05 Ethereum, or no, let's add another 0 here. Let's exchange 0.005 Ethereum to Base. We click on deposit Ethereum. So now I have to sign the transaction. All right, this sounds good. The fee is $6 for the Ethereum mainnet because it's an Ethereum mainnet transaction. And then there's a small fee that is being taken for the Base network. I will say confirm. Now we're waiting for the confirmation on Etherscan. We can also check Etherscan, but we will just wait here for a second. And it's done. Deposit and transit to Base. So it just took a few seconds and now the transaction is done. So it only takes a few seconds or minutes to reach the Base network. So when this is complete, you can view the transaction on Bridge, Base, and then transactions. So yeah, now I just have to wait, or maybe I can switch to Base network here already to see if it was successful. And yeah, we just have to wait a few seconds or a few moments, I think, and there it is. It took roughly like 3 to 5 minutes to appear on the Base network wallet here. So you can see I'm connected with the Base network here, and I have the 0.005 Ethereum now on my Base network wallet that I just switched here. And if I want to choose to withdraw it from the Base network, I have to click on withdraw, and then I can just type in the amount that I want to withdraw. So I can type in the 0.005 Ethereum and send it back to the Ethereum network. But this small amount is just not worth bridging, so I would just leave it on Base network for now. But yeah, this is how you can bridge the assets between Ethereum mainnet and Base network with the Base bridge, or you can just send the Ethereum on the Base network back to Binance, and you can select Base network deposit there, and then it works as well. If you do have any more questions about Base network, how it works, how you can bridge the assets, how you can access the Base network here through Metamask, just write it down in the comments. I'm happy to help you out. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.